Hi, I'm Carrie McCoy, founder of FlagandBanner.com. I'm here today with my daughter, Megan Pittman, and my son, Gray McCoy, and we're going to decorate the house behind us for the Patriotic season. So let's get started.
Today I'm going to show you the Lazy Man's Patriotic decorating video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hang bunting in your carport, how to install a door hanger onto your front door, how to line flower beds with stick flags, how to put a garden banner in your front yard, and we're going to freshen up your flagpole with a new flag, rope, and snap hooks. I have a couple of tips for hanging bunting. First and foremost, you need to measure your space and then start from the middle. If you start from one end, you're going to run out of space on the other end. So measure your space and then hang from the middle. I have already got my bunting up, but I wanted to tell you the 3 ways that you can install bunting. I had every intention of using a staple gun right into my carport, but my carport is made out of siding and my husband wouldn't let me put staples in it. So I chose to use command strips. These are outdoor command strips. You just peel the back off and stick them. And then I got to hang all of my bunting from command strips. The third way is some clips that you can buy from Lowe's or Home Depot. They either go over your gutters or they can slide up under the shingles in your roof. So you pick which of the 3 options you like best. One of the quickest and easiest ways to decorate for the patriotic season is with a door hanger. You have a quick, simple nail, and you just hang it up. It works great for apartment buildings and condos. In my case, I have a storm door. So I can't put a nail into my storm door because it's glass. So I have one of these. This is a door hanger. Just clip it over the top. Et voila. Another easy way to decorate for the patriotic season is with a decorative garden banner stand and a decorative banner. Be sure if your garden banner stand has a message that it's pointing towards the street. Gray, show us how to install it. It is just that simple. Then I will slide this on. And we're finished. Stick flags are a great way to dress up your flower bed. I brought my brother Gray here so I don't have to get my knees dirty. It's probably time to update your flag. Every year you need to replace your flag. You don't realize how much they've faded. Look at the difference. While you're replacing your flag, it's probably a good time to replace your rope. You start by cutting your rope, then you take a new piece of rope, tape the 2 pieces together, and then watch. Your old rope is gone, and your new rope's in place. Once you got your new rope on, you tie the ends together. You don't want this unsightly knot hanging on your flagpole, so in order to install the snap hooks, you need to put the knot on top. I brought you 3 different types of snap hooks to show you. I personally like these brass snap hooks. They ding against the flagpole, and I love that noise. However, there are plastic snap hooks that make almost no noise, or coated snap hooks, which are great for commercial flagpoles. Today we're going to use my favorite, brass snap hooks. If you'd like a more detailed video about how to install rope, flags, and snap hooks, check out our video here. Or you can check out our in-ground flagpole installation video right here. Here we go.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you got some great decorating tips from my kids. If you have any questions or want to ask about anything, just call the experts at FlagandBanner.com. We'll be happy to help. And if you want to buy any of the products you saw in the video, just click on the link below. And I hope you have a happy and safe patriotic season.